What we believe about ourselves and our potential plays an important role in what we achieve. Kaya kailangan nating isantabi ang mga paniniwalang naglilimita sa atin. Tulad ng mahirap lang kami at walang pinag-aralan, kaya hanggang dito na lang kami. Or, I can't do that because I don't have the right education. Or even, that's not for me. Wala naman akong alam sa ganyang trabaho. Baluktot na paniniwala yan. Palitan mo yan ng mga prinsipyong gaya nito. If others can do it, why not me? Kasi sa totoo lang, we are capable of learning anything and overcoming any obstacle that comes our way. At tandaan mo, ikaw ang may hawak ng manibela ng buhay mo.